The fam, that's what they call me. Promise that you never be lonely.
What it do? It's your boy T-Lite. Shout out to the Werewolf gang. Oh. Much love to the Light crew. You already know how I feel about you. Big shout out to all my subscribers, man. And for those of you who have not subscribed to my channel is an auto channel, but it's basically based off of me, man. Tlites World, my world, what I love to do. My biggest love is cars, man. But sometimes I may occasionally post some other stuff on my YouTube, but mostly it's gonna be about cars, you know, anything with a motor. But just browse my content, man. Go and browse my content, find out about T-Lite, man, and hit that subscribe button. Tell a friend about me. You know how it go. Help your brother grow, man, because believe me, every subscriber that subscribed to my YouTube channel, I appreciate you, man. You just don't know how much I appreciate you just taking the time to subscribe and watch my videos. That's big werewolf love, man. I appreciate that. But enough of that being said, you know, let's get straight to the video, man. Today, man, I'm gonna talk to y'all a little bit about the wide body and slim body debate. It seemed like the wide body and the slim body people are beefing a little bit. I mean, I pulled up at, I ain't gonna say I pulled up at a light. It was more so on the highway. And it was a guy, he was in a scat pack. And he was trying to race me like I had a slim body scat pack. I'm like, hold on, baby boy. And he looking at me, I'm laughing and stuff. I ain't know, maybe he was laughing because he was just laughing because he was trying to race me, or was he trying to say that I got a slim body and he got a wide body and he felt like he could beat me in the scat pack? But needless to say, I knocked the paint off of him. You know what I mean? I knocked the paint off of him. Me and Prometheus knocked the paint off of him. I think I flipped him over on the highway. I ain't for sure, man, because I was moving so fast. You know, I was moving so fast that I couldn't even see him no more. But yeah, it just seemed like that the wide body people kind of look at the slim body people like they're beneath them or something. I myself, I love wide bodies and I love slim bodies. I love them equally, you know. I love the wide body because it do look good. I ain't gonna sit there in front like it don't look good, because it definitely looks good. But hell, the slim bodies still look good, man. You know, you got to get what you can afford. That's my motto. Or if you already had a slim body before the wide body came out, I don't see the sense of you trading in your slim body just to get a wide body just for the 305 tires and a wide body fender flares. And I think I'm for sure that the Scat Pack got that the Hellcat suspension. But if you got a Hellcat slim body, why would you get a wide body Hellcat if you already got a Hellcat? Now, if you were to go get the red eye, of course you got to go ahead and get the wide body, being that you ain't gonna get a slim body when you already have one. Of course you're gonna get a wide body. But if you're not looking to get rid of your Hellcat and you already got a slim body, why would you do that to get a wide body? It makes no sense. It's the same exact car. As you can see, if you get into a Hellcat, regular slim body Hellcat and a wide body Hellcat, it's gonna look the same. Everything looks the same. None of this stuff is different. It all looks the same. I mean, it's gonna look the same. They have not changed the interior of these cars since 2015. Nothing has changed inside these cars. Sorry for those who think it had. Nothing has changed. It's the same exact thing. Not saying I'm not knocking wide body scat packs or Hellcats. I love them. Like I said, I love them. One of my buddies just picked up one at the dealership. He came and got a red eye, gray one. That one was crazy. I was super happy for him. I'm gonna post that video so y'all can see that video, man, because they showed me mad love when they came and purchased that vehicle. But yeah, I was just wondering, just myself, and you can leave in the comments, is it like a beef going on between wide bodies and slim bodies? Because I even see Facebook pages that separate themselves, like Slim Body Hellcat page, Facebook, only slim bodies, or Slim Body Scat Packs, only slim body Scat Packs, or vice versa, only wide body Hellcats or only wide body Scat Packs. So I don't know if it's a beef going on or not, or you can let me know. Do you guys think that that wide bodies think that they're better than slim bodies, or am I just tripping? Because I know when I pull up to a light next to a wide body, they do look over at you like, hey man, I'm killing you right now. And I don't see why you would look at me like you killing me if we got the same exact performance, and your wide body fenders look great, but they don't look that great to the point where you feel like you can just look down on your fellow Moparian. Yeah, I made that up. Your fellow Moparian, because you got a wide body kit that they can go purchase and look exactly like you. So I don't know. I mean, in my opinion, I think it might be a little, not with everybody. The real Mopar people don't be on that. You know, it's those new Mopar people that be, I'm not saying that all new people, it's just the ones that don't really know, that ain't really Mopar, that really be like that. It ain't the true Moparians. The true Moparians, they love you. We love each other no matter what you rolling in. It could be a damn Dodge Avenger, a Dodge, what's that, Caliber, anything, a Sebring, whatever. You still Mopar 300. Mopar's Mopar, Jeep. But it seems like nowadays that the wide body crew may think they're a little bit better than the slim body crew. I ain't for sure, man. I could be wrong, but let me know in the comments. Do you think it's an ongoing battle between wide bodies and slim bodies? Is it a beef? Is it like a gang thing? I don't know. I hope it's not a gang thing. I mean, I'm not saying it's a gang thing. I'm saying I would hope that all Mopars would stick together, because all Mustangians, they stick together. All Mustangians stick together. All Camarians stick together. So why all of a sudden is the Moparians acting crazy? I'm starting to think we might be the new Ricers. We might be the new, you know, tuner type cars. I don't know. We don't know. I don't know. I just was wondering for myself, because you know I'm big Mopar. I love all cars though, because I got a Chevy at the crib too. I got an SS Chevy sitting at the crib right now, and I had a couple cars that ain't Mopar, but my favorite car is Mopar. But I love all cars. Don't get it twisted. I'm a car guy. I love all cars. Like if anybody know me, I think the best performing car out there right now is the ZL1 at 1LE. I think that's the best car, period, muscle car out there, because it can do everything, track wise and just regular street wise. Not saying that the GT500 can't do it, but it can't do it like that. And then the GT500, I put you second place, but I'm gonna have to put the ZL1 at number 1. And Mustang, you can be number 2. I'm talking about all around performance. But if it comes to straight line, just straight shot, I gotta go ahead and give it to the Moparians. You know, we definitely the boss of that. But if it come to track type of cars, we not track cars. We ain't the boss of that. The Camarians are the boss of that. They running that game, because that car is just on a whole nother level when it come to that point. But slim body, I mean wide body Hellcats and wide body Scat Packs, do you guys think that you're better than slim bodies? Do you think that the slim body Hellcats and Scat Packs and RTs are beneath you, or not? And I myself, I'm gonna be all the way honest, man. I know it might be a little bit off subject, but I think we might even see a wide body RT and some wide body SXTs. We might even get that. They may start, I mean GTs, they may start offering that wide body package to them as well. Yeah, they may start offering that wide body package to all trims of these cars. So I wouldn't be surprised if next year or the last year this body style, they don't offer wide bodies for the entire fleet, the entire trim level. All trim levels getting offered the wide body. That's just my opinion. I could be wrong, you know. I could be wrong. But in my opinion, I think they're going to definitely end up offering the wide body to all trim levels. Charger and Challenger is what I'm saying. And I'm pretty sure the new Corvette is going to be a wide body. It's going to have a wide body stance to it. That new Corvette, I know it is. I've seen too many spy shots that say, and they look like they done widen it out a little bit. But I think all cars are trying to get that wide body look, because Dodge they were on to something with that wide body look. That is a nice look. I definitely like that look. But I got a slim body. I wasn't gonna pay $80,000-$90,000 for fender flares and some tires. Disagree or agree with me, but that's what you paid for. Fender flares and tires. If you got a Hellcat. Scat Pack, you did gain something when you go wide body because you get the Hellcat suspension. So you definitely did gain something from going from a regular slim body Scat Pack to a wide body. You definitely gained that Hellcat suspension. But if you went from a Hellcat slim body to a Hellcat wide body, I ain't saying you crazy, but I ain't saying you smart either. But that's just my opinion. If you don't like it, tell me in the comments that you don't like it. I mean, I ain't gonna get mad at you for your opinion, so don't get mad at me for my opinion. If you do, too bad. Deal with it. You know? But with that being said, man, I just wanted to talk about that little situation, talk about that little subject, because I was wondering. But if you wondering, leave it, like I said, leave a comment in the comments and tell me what you think about the whole situation. And make sure you like, share, and comment this video. Comment on this video. Tell a friend about me. I will give you a quick little pull, but yeah, I'll give you one. Yeah, you hear that popping? You heard that popping? I would give you a better pull, but I ain't trying to have the police getting called on me. You know, I'm out here popping and moving and grooving. But like I said, man, make sure you share this video with a friend and tell that friend to share it with one of his friends, and on and on and on. You know, hell, tell your mama about me. I'm just fucking with y'all, man. But with that being said, it's your boy T-Lite. Shout out to the werewolf gang. Ow. Much love to the Light crew, and I appreciate you for joining me for one of these fireball videos. And hey man, y'all stay positive out there.
The fam, that's what they call me. Promise that you never be lonely. Be the fam.